This is my video about modified RAM for the Angel 1. I've drilled out the back end to allow for an adjuster piece like this. I'll show you how to put this together. This is the pin that usually holds the adjuster in place in the back. Now it's going to hold the adjuster just like before, but there's not going to be a back wall, a solid back wall anymore. Like that. Like this. And like that. That locks the breech of the Angel. Okay, simple as that. Putting on the hammer. This is a plastic hammer, but usually it's a steel hammer. Same procedure. This is a custom hammer, so I need a little more space between that and the ram shaft. Otherwise it's the same as a stock hammer. Put a little O-ring to get a snappy feel. This you can do with any stock Angel ram too. And then you put in last piece here, little screw. Like that. Nice snappy feel to it. This is so the breech won't open. It snaps in place like that. Okay. That is the mod for the Angel 1 RAM to be possible to disassemble it. Thank you.